Welcome to ExamsAtoz. This video is a part of geography lecture series. So with this series we are going to cover entire Indian geography, the maps part, the maps of political map, map related to physical features, minerals, lakes, rivers. So all these geography, Indian geography related to maps, especially we are doing with this lecture series. So in this class we are going to discuss about the political map of India, that is especially the states and union territories and their capitals. Jammu and Kashmir, the state of India, which has a special privileges, which has a special provisions, which has its own constitution, has made into union territories, that is Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory and Ladakh Union Territory. So after that, the number of states in India became 28 and the number of union territories in India became 8. So 28 and 8. So you can remember this very easily. So 28 states in India and 8 union territories in India. So in this slide we shall discuss about the states and their capitals. So number 1, Punjab. So this is Punjab and its capital is Chandigarh. Haryana and Punjab both has the same capital, that is Chandigarh. And the next one is Rajasthan. Its capital is Jaipur. And the next one is Gujarat. Its capital is Gandhinagar. And the next one is Maharashtra. Its capital is Mumbai. And the next one is Karnataka. Its capital is Bengaluru. And here the small state is Goa. And its capital is Panaji. And this is Kerala. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. And this is Tamil Nadu. Its capital is Chennai. And here Andhra Pradesh. So this Andhra Pradesh, when it comes to Andhra Pradesh, before partition, that is before bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh into Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad used to be capital of Andhra Pradesh, undivided Andhra Pradesh. So later on, even after bifurcation, Hyderabad is kept as a common capital for 10 years, that is till 2024. But after coming to the power, Chandra Naidu has made Amravati as the capital of Andhra Pradesh. And in 2019, Jagan Mohan Reddy became chief minister and he brought the Decentralization Act. With this Decentralization Act, he proposed 3 capitals, that is Amravati as a legislative capital, Visakhapatnam as executive capital, and Kurnool as judicial capital. But this act is being challenged by many people and it was on hold. So till then we can assume that until there is a clearance by the judiciary, till then we can assume that the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. And this is Telangana. And its capital is Hyderabad. And this is Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. And this is West Bengal. And its capital is Kolkata. And this is Sikkim. Its capital is Gangtok. And this is Arunachal Pradesh. Its capital is Itanagar. Next one. This is Nagaland. Its capital is Kohima. And this is Manipur. Its capital is Impal. This is Mizoram. Its capital is Aizawl. And this is Tripura. Its capital is Agartala. Its capital is Agartala. And this is Meghalaya. Meghalaya. And its capital is Shillong. Shillong. And this is Assam. Dispur. Its capital is Dispur. Now again come to Chhattisgarh. This is Chhattisgarh. Its capital is Raipur. This is Madhya Pradesh. Its capital is Bhopal. And this is Uttar Pradesh, the largest state in terms of population. UP. Its capital is Lucknow. And this is Himachal Pradesh. Its capital is Shimla. And this is Uttarakhand. And this is Uttarakhand. Its capital is Dehradun. And this is Bihar. Its capital is Patna. And this is Jharkhand. Jharkhand. its capital is Ranchi. Its capital is Ranchi. So with this we have finished the states. Now we shall see the union territories. There are 8 union territories. Number 1 is Ladakh. Its summer capital is Leh and winter capital is Kargil. And number 2 is Jammu and Kashmir. Its summer capital is Srinagar. Its winter capital is Jammu. So here Jammu and Kashmir has the legislative assembly, whereas Ladakh doesn't has the legislative assembly. And this is Chandigarh. So it is the common capital for Punjab and Haryana. And this Chandigarh, the capital of the Chandigarh Union Territory is Chandigarh only. And this is Delhi. We call it as National Capital Territory Delhi. So the National Capital Territory Delhi has the capital New Delhi. The same New Delhi is the capital of India. And there are 2 union territories, that is Daman and Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli. So these 2 union territories are merged recently and they are called as one, that is Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. So Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu has the Daman as its capital, and this is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep has a capital Kavaratti, and this is Andaman and Nicobar. This Andaman and Nicobar, its capital is Port Blair. And this is Puducherry. Its capital is Puducherry only. This Puducherry is distributed across 3 states. That is here in Annam. That is Annam. And Mahi in Kerala. And Karaikal in Tamil Nadu only. So with this we have completed 8 union territories. So how can we expect questions from this? How the questions can be asked from this section? So they will ask directly, or they may ask the numbers. How many states? If it is lower level exams, they may ask the number of states. Or they will ask, for example, last time in the civils prelims, they asked how many states you need to cross, you need to travel in order to move from one state to another. Means they will give that, for example, Telangana to Arunachal Pradesh. What is the shortest distance you can travel? So if you travel the shortest distance, how many you will come across how many states? So you must have entire picture of India. So that is the reason you need to know this. And not only that, in order to learn the geography, you need to be well aware of the map. So that is the reason this is very, very important for you. And so you follow this lecture series, we can come across many important classes. And download the ExamsAtoz app. We have the Telegram groups. We have the Telegram group for the UPSC, APPSC, TSPSC. We have the Telegram group for AP and TSSI. We have the Telegram group for SSC CGL, and we have the Telegram group for arithmetic and reasoning. So we regularly post important objective questions in it, so which is useful for your practice. Not only that, you can come across various courses in the ExamsAtoz app itself. For SI, Group 2, Group 1, for both AP and Telangana, and for CAPF. So you can come across many mains answer writing questions also. So download the ExamsAtoz app and share with your friends. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.